Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play WoW mode using code. First, understand that WoW mode coding is about supercharging your development environment. It involves leveraging custom scripts and configurations to automate repetitive tasks and streamline your workflow. This powerful approach can significantly boost your productivity, allowing you to focus on more complex problem-solving rather than mundane operations. We will explore the core principles and practical steps to get you started. To begin, select a robust code editor such as Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text, which offer extensive customization. Next, install essential extensions that support scripting languages like Python or JavaScript and automation tools. Finally, optimize your terminal settings for rapid command execution, ensuring seamless integration with your custom scripts. This foundational setup is crucial for an efficient WoW mode experience. Now, let's craft your custom scripts. Start by identifying those repetitive tasks that consume valuable time, such as file generation or code formatting. Develop small, focused scripts using languages like Python, JavaScript, or even shell commands to automate these actions. For instance, a script could generate a new component with 5 boilerplate files in under 1 second. Integrate these scripts with editor shortcuts or custom command aliases for instant access. For advanced WoW mode, consider integrating APIs from external services directly into your workflow, automating data retrieval or deployment. Always use version control, like Git, to manage your custom scripts and configurations, ensuring easy backups and collaboration. Regularly review and refine your scripts. Even small optimizations can yield significant long-term efficiency gains, saving you many hours over a year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.